What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Wilson's For Real. Shout out to the Real Squad.
Squad up, squad up, squad up. Get it, Real Squad. Oh, if you would like to be part of the Real Squad, please click the subscribe button, like and comment, and click the bell
Boo!
For notifications.
So, it's the weekend, y'all. We finna take a quick little trip just to relax, get our mind off everything. LaCrissa just got done with a great school year. And so we're just going to go to the Lake of the Ozarks and kind of unwind. We're staying at a resort called
Camden on the Lake.
Camden on the Lake.
And if you watch Ozarks on Netflix,
this is the area
where it was filmed.
This is where it was filmed. So we're going to hop in the car. It takes about 2.5 hours.
2 hours, 2.5 to 2 hours and 45 minutes
to get there. And so when we get there and check in, we'll make sure we give you guys a room tour. So check out this room tour when we get there. You heard me. And we're gonna show y'all some other things down here, but we just want to give you guys the room tour. You know, for you all that haven't been down this way, this might be a place that you could check out. So check out a room tour.
Oh yeah.
All right, so here's the room when you first walk in. It's nice, give you a nice view of the room. So it looks like they have a nice little kitchen area here, nice little bar. You can sit up here, nice countertops. Looks like it comes with towels, nice sink. See how the water works pretty good. Coffee maker. Dishwasher, fridge. It's almost broke the fridge. Nice size fridge. Let's see if they got, they got dishes, a toaster, microwave, little stove top. Has silverware. Little pizza cutter, a bucket for your ice, nice leather couch, two lamps, a nice little table right here. This is the entertainment area. Let's see, it's a nice fireplace. You can kind of set the mood if you like. A couple of drawers. Nice TV. See this closet here. Okay, that's where you can find all of your ironing stuff. You can hang your clothes up. There's another, that looks more like a utility closet. More storage for your clothes, so I'll have a place for my clothes, and Krista have a place for her clothes. This is a massive restroom. The bathroom has very tall ceilings. You can see me in the mirror. You see me in the mirror? It's a nice shower. Just walk in the shower. Oh yeah, you can sit in there. So it's a 2 shower. So me and LaCrissa can get in here to get there. Yeah. Do some things. Got your towels right there. It's a nice big door. Like I said, the ceilings are tall in this room, period, but particularly the bathroom. And so there's 2 beds. I wish it was a queen, just 1 bed, but that's cool. Got a section. You want to do some work. Another TV, another little chase right here. And this is one of my favorite parts. Look at the view from our balcony. Right there. We're next door to the Horny Toad, where they have outside concerts every night. So we actually don't even have to go over there to enjoy the concert. We can enjoy the concert right from our balcony. There's the view of the lake. So we got the Shady Gator over there. Nice little view. Whoa. I think the pool is over there. There's a swim-up pool over there. They have a lot of boats. That's where I'll probably be parked at for a little bit. As you can see, the door is closed and open. And I just want to kind of give you guys a view of the doors to the bedroom. Just kind of give you a view of the full room. I'm gonna slide these doors open. Look at there. The thing I really like is their ceiling fans in the bedroom and in the living room portion. So, give you a view of what it looks like from this end. Pretty big. Nice and big. And there you have it. There's the room. If you're ever in the Lake of the Ozarks, check out Camden Lake Resort, next door to the H-Toad. Used to be called the Horny Toad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Wilson's for real. And until next time, we're gonna holla. Peace.